Bhim was the son of Vayudev and Kunti. Kunti used her boon by sage Durvasa to call Vayudev as she wanted a son who is strong, powerful, and noble. This was Bhim. He is also the spiritual brother of Lord Hanuman as they share the same father in the wind god. Bhim was a skilled warrior and the best mace fighter. He was trained by two of the greatest teachers, Dronacharya and Kripacharya. Of course, the guidance of Bhishma was always there with all the sons of Hastinapur. He also learnt other martial arts under them and hand fighting. He was the strongest of all the sons and he would invite any of the Kauravas to fight him in the ground. They were easily defeated by him and he would boast about his strength. Bhim was also keen on playing practical jokes on the Kauravas and leave no chance to belittle them. Duryodhan was enraged by this and they too shared hatred for each other. Duryodhan plans to kill him twice, by giving him a food laced with poison and by drowning him in the river Ganga. Duryodhan managed to give him food that was poisoned and drowned him in the river Ganga. The Ganga river was full of snakes that bit him. The plot of Duryodhan backfired when the poison from the Nagas acted as an antidote to the poison of Duryodhan. Seeing his might and valor, the god of Nagas gave him a potion that would enhance his strength to 10,000 elephants. Bhim played a vital role in their escape from the burning wax palace trap laid by Duryodhan for the Pandavas, as he would make a way in the palace and he also managed to trap Purochan, the one who had helped the plot. The Pandavas hid from the eyes of Duryodhan and Kauravas after the wax palace trap to avoid any further harm. During that time, Bhim killed various monsters such as Bakasur and Hidimba. Bakasur caused harm to villagers and was a nuisance to them. Hidimba was a torturous king who would torture Hidimbi, his sister. Bhim saved her and killed Hidimba, eventually marrying her and having Ghatotkach from their marriage. The Pandavas came out to Kauravas and demanded their right to the kingdom as they were given Khandoprastha, which was transformed into Indraprastha. Bhim played an important role by defeating Jarasandha with the guidance of Krishna and helping themselves with the Rajasuya Yagna. Bhim also killed Kichak, who tried to molest Draupadi while they were in exile. Eventually, Bhim became the strength of the Pandavas and he killed each of the Kauravas in the war. He could also have killed Karna was it not for the oath of Arjun, as he had multiple chances to do so. He was the commander-in-chief of Hastinapur after Yudhishthir claimed the throne. Bhima falls down while ascending to heaven because of his pride in strength and his lust for battles.